This angry biker comes across a careless driver and this image emerges.
Putain d'abruti! Putain de mongol! Putain de merde! T'es complètement con, toi! Putain!
I bet it's noisy as well with that roof rack on. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
What happened?
You got hit.
Oh, Jesus.
I think I just shit myself. Are you okay? Actually, I think I just shit myself. It scared me. Oh shit. Shit.
You just fucking...
The female driver runs away because she is guilty. Her behavior is not pleasant at all. The person I dislike the most in traffic is the one who doesn't use the mirror. If you see such people, slow down immediately and let them pass.
Well, I'm a packing up my truck and I'ma head down south where real men pack the lips with dips in the mouth. Start a moonshine steel, spin a tear, find some cheap livestock. Oh my god!
Must be a 13-year-old kid driving this car. Otherwise, there can be no other explanation for it.
Fucking idiot. Is that a motorcycle?
No, it's a fucking car.
How would you react if someone bumped into you from behind while you were waiting at a red light? You can write in the comments. I couldn't understand what the purpose of this driver was. I hope he learns to drive safely one day.
Absolutely. I was attuned to my mother's every move pretty much the minute we landed at JFK. So when she started acting
Whoa, what the
uncomfortable
fuck?
in her body, she would put her hand over her stomach. And I
accident was prevented thanks to the composure of the moto driver. I would like to congratulate the moto driver.
A few moments later.
I hope there is no serious damage to the moto driver. Don't forget to use your mirrors while driving. It was a very bad accident. Anyone seen where the moto driver went? My advice to you is if you are driving on the same road as a truck, try to stay away from the truck.
You alright? Damn! Jesus fucking Christ!
I know. Sorry, sir. I can't motor that. All I saw was that motorhome. I didn't see you next to it.
On the bright side, no one was hurt. Two drivers are at fault. One is driving too fast and the other is leaving without checking the road. The driver of the red car enters the left lane without looking in the mirror. Fortunately, the reflexes of the Mercedes driver were strong. I say again, stay away from the tracks. If you don't know the length of the car he's driving, you shouldn't be driving that car. It's good to keep distance between us and the next car in traffic. It reduces the risk of accident. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.